How to auto-generate captions on TikTok and edit them. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Then, click on the plus button at the bottom. After you've done that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply record a video or click on the bottom right corner of your screen and select Photos. After that, add a video from your gallery. Then in here, box-like icon at the top. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, at the bottom, scroll to the left and click on Captions. After you click on Captions, it will detect your language and add caption. After that, at the bottom, you can edit language, style, format. After you've done that, you can play the video and you're good to go. This is how to auto-generate captions on TikTok and edit them. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.